until they grow up and then they decide
No,
they're
there's
gonna
no
be
deciding.
they're gonna be U.S. American.
They're not gonna play baseball.
And
They're
we're both
gonna
gonna
play
be mad.
soccer. They're gonna play football. They're not gonna play baseball. They're gonna play football.
Yeah, like I said, until they grow up and they realize they want to be like a computer science, and then you're just gonna have to live with that.
Okay, alright, fine.
You know, there is amicable, loving relationship from his family to me, and I mean, I don't think we have experience, and from your experience with my family.
No, none at all. Yeah, I've met her family. They have been very welcoming. I know my Spanish is not perfect, but we still manage to communicate with one another.
It's enough.
Exactly.
Well, my Creole is not perfect either.
Okay, all right. My Spanish is way better than your Creole, but anyway.
Yes, exactly. So.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, and she tries to communicate with my mom in Creole and with my parents in Creole, so that's true. But in fact, I have family members that are Dominican. You know, I have cousins of mine that are married Dominicans and so on. But I don't think I've ever encountered anybody saying anything negative. You know, and I think also they know me enough not to, even if they were thinking that way, not to, you know, say anything.
I think
like that
same
to
with
me.
me. They know me enough. With James, I haven't encountered any family member or friend who has made a comment about James or about Haitians in front of me in general. Simply because, has it happened in the past that people have made comments, or when I've collaborated with Haitians in a different scenario in my house, have they made comments? Yes. And what do? I leave. There was a whole weekend celebration planned, and each day had a menu, starting from Friday when we arrived, right? And next thing I know, you know, people are lining up to get the food, and we're like, okay, so, and I'm looking at the itinerary because it was shared amongst the family and the RSVPs. And when we open up the stuff, they have switched the menu for that night to cater Haitian food because James was coming and they were meeting James. And I was like, that was very nice, you know, that was very nice.